My goal is to create a channel straight to the content, completely abstracted from the entire technology. And the content is culture. I close my eyes when I'm listening to music and immerse myself in it. I want to bathe in the music and I don't want anything to disturb this moment. That's my ambition.
Das ist der Anspruch, den ich habe. Ich bin Dieter Burmester.
My name is Dieter Burmester. I am the founder, managing director and sole owner of Burmester Audio Systems.
Ich habe zwei Wurzeln, die für mich wichtig sind.
I have two important mainstays in my life. One is the fact that from the age of 15, I started to play music actively. And the other is that I studied electrical engineering and enjoy being a creative engineer.
Ich probiere völlig frei.
I take a completely open approach to new devices, as if there had never been anything like it in this area before. I think that if you try to improve the many small details every day as part of the daily routine, you'll find that at the end of the year, a new threshold of perfection will have been reached, or you will have come that bit closer to realizing your ambition.
Ich bin ein Autoliebhaber.
I'm a car enthusiast. The offer to develop for the S-Class, the cutting edge in technology, for Mercedes, God, that's more than anyone can expect. It was an amazing piece of luck. Inside a car, you can create a sound you would never be able to produce in a living room. You have an interior space of 3 to 4 cubic meters, which you can fill directly with sound.
We got
to know the S-Class at a very early stage, and we were allowed to help design the concept, because the way the woofers are arranged is a very special feature. They're mounted in the longitudinal beams in the footwell of the driver and front passenger. This is the best position for the bass, as these deep tones can really spread out and fill the space. We were able to put a lot of work into all this. For example, we developed a tweeter, the kind we use in our speakers at home, and installed it in the car. This is state-of-the-art. No one's got anything like this. It's because of the ring radiators, which, when you switch on the sound, turn out to find the best position. Right now, everyone's talking about 3D. 3D means that you normally have the speakers up to the height of the dashboard and below. We were given the opportunity to install a tweeter right where you would normally find the glasses storage for the front passengers. And for the back passengers, we installed a central unit in front of their heads, containing mid- and high-tone speakers. This enabled us to bring the sound experience up into a third dimension through these speakers. The effect is amazing. The result is a lighter, more floating sound. All in all, this close collaboration continued for a period of about 2.5 years. The object was always the priority of our work, and I think that we have produced a really well-rounded product.